welcome to our channel. If you suspect that you've become a victim of identity theft, it's crucial to act quickly to protect yourself and your financial information. One of the first steps to take is reporting the incident to Experian, one of the largest credit reporting agencies. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to effectively report identity theft to Experian. Step 1. Gather your information. Before reaching out to Experian, collect all relevant information regarding the identity theft. This includes your personal information, name, address, social security number, details of the fraudulent accounts or transactions, any documentation that supports your case, police reports, correspondence from creditors, etc. Step 2. Visit the Experian website. Go to the official Experian website by typing www.experian.com in your browser. This ensures you are on a secure site and can access the appropriate resources. Step 3. Navigate to the identity theft section. Once on the Experian homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Identity Theft section. Click on the link that leads you to the identity theft resources provided by Experian. Step 4. Report identity theft. In the Identity Theft Resources section, you will find an option to report identity theft. Click on this link, which will guide you through the reporting process. Follow the instructions carefully. Step 5. Fill out the Identity Theft Report form. Experian will require you to complete an Identity Theft Report form. Provide all the necessary information, including your contact details, a description of how your identity was stolen, any fraudulent accounts opened in your name. Be concise and accurate with your information to avoid delays. Step 6. Submit additional documentation. If you have supporting documents like a police report or evidence of fraudulent transactions, you will be prompted to submit these as well. Make sure to have digital copies ready, as this can speed up the process. Step 7. Monitor your credit report. After submitting your report, you're entitled to receive a free copy of your credit report from Experian. Utilize this report to review your credit history for any unauthorized activity. You can obtain this report through the Identity Theft Resources section on the Experian website. Step 8. Follow up. Keep track of your report and any correspondence from Experian. If you do not receive confirmation of your report within a few weeks, consider reaching out to them to check the status. By following these steps, you'll be taking significant action to protect yourself against identity theft. Remember that timely reporting is key to minimizing damage and restoring your identity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more valuable content.